All right, space fans, buckle up. We're
Yeah.
diving deep into the world of space exploration today. And gotta say, I was super inspired by this video you sent over about the partnership between Lockheed Martin and NASA.
Yeah.
It really got me thinking, about all the amazing things they've accomplished together in space.
Absolutely.
So our mission, if you will,
Mhm.
is to uncover those incredible achievements and also, take a peek into the future. What are their plans? What are their dreams? Where are they going next?
Well, I think one of the coolest things about Lockheed Martin's contributions
Yeah.
is that they're not just launching spacecraft, they're really enabling these like groundbreaking scientific discoveries
Oh,
all throughout
that's
the solar system. Take the Juno spacecraft, for example.
wow.
Lockheed Martin built that.
Yeah, that's the one orbiting Jupiter.
Yeah,
That's
exactly. The one sending back those, just incredible close-up pictures of Jupiter's storms
I know.
and revealing, the mysteries of its powerful magnetic field.
It's so easy to get lost in those images, like just purely the beauty of it all.
Oh, for sure.
But it's really the science underneath that makes it all so valuable.
Right.
And when we think about Mars especially, I mean, their work there really, drives that point home.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, just think about the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter.
Okay, yeah.
Another Lockheed Martin masterpiece. It's got all these high-tech instruments on board.
Uh-huh.
And one of them actually detected these things called recurring slope linea. And scientists, they think those are signs of, get this, seasonal flows of liquid water on Mars. Salty water, but still.
Whoa, really? So, potentially life.
Yeah, exactly. It changes everything about how we think about, the possibility of life on other planets.
That's huge.
Yeah, I mean, it's...
Speaking of Mars, though, I was blown away to learn that Lockheed Martin has worked on every single one of NASA's Mars surface missions. Every single one.
It's an incredible track record.
Isn't that right? It's just incredible. Didn't they develop that heat shield that protected the Curiosity rover during its descent, when
Yeah.
it was landing on Mars?
Yes. They're the heat shield masters, no doubt. Their expertise in engineering for, crazy extreme conditions is just crucial for these missions. I mean, just imagine the precision that it takes to design a heat shield that can survive that fiery entry into Mars's atmosphere.
I know.
And then, gently deposit a rover full of sensitive scientific equipment safely on the surface. It's mind-blowing.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about Mars. But what about, it's kind of sort of evil twin, Venus. It gets that nickname because of its super harsh environment.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
What role has Lockheed Martin played in exploring that planet? It seems like a way tougher challenge.
Venus definitely throws some curveballs, let me tell you.
I bet.
But Lockheed Martin, they're not backing down. They're pushing the limits of what's even possible there. Right now, they're actually developing this whole new generation of spacecraft, specifically designed to withstand Venus's insane temperatures and pressures. It's like next-level engineering.
What kind of technology even lets them do that? I mean, how do you even begin to build something that can survive on Venus?
It's all about innovation. They're developing these brand new heat-resistant materials, coming up with, crazy innovative cooling systems. It's like building a spacecraft that can function in an oven, basically.
It's amazing what they can do these days.
It really is.
Okay, so we've covered Mars. We've talked about Venus.
The inner solar system.
Yeah, the inner solar system. But Lockheed Martin's reach extends so much further than that, right? What are some other missions that really highlight their, just their incredible work?
Well, they've pretty much had a hand in exploring every corner of our solar system, which is just amazing to think about. They were involved in the Cassini mission to Saturn. Remember that one?
Yeah.
Sent back those mind-blowing pictures of Saturn's rings.
Oh, I remember those. They were everywhere.
Revealed a ton about its moon Titan, which, by the way, scientists think could potentially have the right conditions for life. And they've even touched the sun, literally. The Parker Solar Probe, that was them too. It's collecting particles straight from the sun's atmosphere, helping us understand, the fundamental stuff that makes stars shine.
It's incredible. It's like they're piecing together this giant puzzle of the solar system.
Yeah, one mission at a time.
And each mission reveals a new piece, a new clue. What's next on the agenda? What are they working on for the future?
Oh, just wait. It gets even cooler. They're actually working on bringing samples back from Mars.
Wait, what? Like Martian rocks? Here on Earth.
Exactly. Imagine holding a piece of another planet in your hand. It's like science fiction becoming reality.
That's wild.
Yeah, and they're planning missions to explore the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Some of those moons, they might have oceans of liquid water under their frozen surfaces.
So like maybe life down there.
Maybe? That's what they're trying to find out.
Okay, so back to the Mars sample thing. I mean, that sounds insanely difficult.
No, it is. It is.
What are some of the biggest challenges they're going to have to overcome to make that happen?
Well, for one thing, they got to figure out how to launch a rocket from the surface of Mars. Like a
Right.
powerful enough rocket to escape Mars's gravity and get those samples back to Earth.
So they're going to have to like build a whole launch system on another planet.
Yep. It's a feat of engineering, unlike anything we've ever done before.
It just blows my mind, the things they're achieving.
It's inspiring stuff.
It really is. And I bet all of this, like the images, the discoveries, it must spark a lot of interest in science and technology, especially for younger people.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, seeing those incredible pictures, knowing that humans built the spacecraft that took them, it's got to ignite some serious passion for STEM.
Yeah, it's like, I want to do that too.
Exactly. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our curiosity about the universe. I mean, that's what it's all about.
And it's not just about, exploring for the sake of exploring. A lot of the technology developed for space missions ends up having applications here on Earth too, right?
Oh, definitely. The tech behind those Mars heat shields. It's now being used to create fire-resistant materials for firefighters.
No way, really.
Yeah, and the imaging techniques they use to study planets. They're helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately.
Wow, so in a way, we all benefit from these missions.
We really do. It's a win-win.
It's really amazing to think about how these endeavors, these missions, are shaping not only our understanding of the universe, but also our lives right here on Earth. Makes you think. So if you, dear listener, could design your own space mission, where would you send it? What mysteries would you want to unravel? It's a big question, but it's definitely worth pondering as we continue to explore this vast, awe-inspiring universe around us.